Good morning everybody. So we wake up very early in the morning and we're going to jogging. And of course, James was with me. He's going to walking,
The tortoise in
walk
the
jog.
hand. The tortoise in the
Wow,
hand.
so glad that
Live in action.
yes, so glad that he was joining this morning. I know it's not usual for him to waking up very early, like to do this routine, but
But I'm going
well,
to.
I'm happy that he was joining actually. So it's gonna be the run for a cause for Mother's Day special. Well, happy Mother's Day, everyone. Today is Sunday and we just been inside the store, inside the SNR. So I bring Joanne here. So today I bought the reason that we came over here because we buy the pizza and ice cream for celebrating the Mother's Day. And of course, everybody, the mothers, my family, they're gonna share all of this, especially the pizza and then the ice cream. And some of that, of course, James asking if I buy the Dr. Pepper while already here. So anyway, again, happy Mother's Day, everyone. So now we're gonna head out here and we're going to McDonald's because my hubby requests to have a burger today. Yes. So, hello, everybody. Yes, hello everybody. It's a white whitening. I mean, it's a cream I put in my face. That's why it's look very white. Not a whitening. It's just only like a day cream. So anyway, today is another day for the harvest. So we separate the sizes of the fish. The one here is way bigger. That's ready to eat. So I keep this one and probably that next week I have a company here. May sumbatita and we're gonna cook this one. And some of the next size is they're here, and the smallest it's over there on that tout how how you say it. So yes, it is gonna be our future fish here. It's too much, but we're thinking to sell those small fish because we can keep it, for keep feeding and feeding, and it's too many. It's going to be dead. Pilat. Pilat is there. It's the season of that baby milkfish. So that's what my brother doing right now. This hour mostly, like I said, so many people on the beach hanging out. James was there taking video. Good morning. I'm going upstairs here in the top floor to check our battery. So today we have total blackout. I mean, what means total blackout? It's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Oh, I was thought James charged his battery last night, but he said it's 6 a.m. Well, I don't know. Well, we have a guest there using the air cons. Jerry, I think he didn't know that. I'm shy to knocking his door. But hopefully, we do not gonna be problem this one. If there's any sunshine today, hopefully that it's not gonna be rain, and it's really help a lot because we have a worker that gonna do the work here. So they really need to use the electricity. Oh, hopefully we don't have any problem for that. And if it's only full sunshine. Wow. Anyway, guys, it's a beautiful morning. Look at that. Wow. everybody, good morning and happy Sunday. Sunday fun day. Well, today James is going to meet Frank to join to watch the autocross. I want to go also, but nobody gonna look after the place because we have a viewer that gonna come over. And of course, I have a booking on our cottage. So, that's the way if you have a business. Sometimes your freedom is limited. But you know what? It's okay. It's that autocross anyway. It's more with men. So, I'll let James to enjoy for today. And they said of course this viewer that gonna come over here is also Frank viewer, and it's according to them, you know, Frank, they gonna come here to meet them as well after they get tired watching the autocross. So let's see what's gonna happen. But James invite Jiri, you know Jiri that they always show in our video. So they bought together. I mean, they go together. And yes, I'm waiting just my guest here. And my husband was here coming. I think he want to just say bye to me. He's not gonna go without say bye and kiss. He owe me kiss. Okay, what? Roaster making noise. Anyway, good morning. So this morning I need to prepare 9 different kind of breakfast, Filipino breakfast. We have a viewer Filipino that came visit with us here, and just one day, and yeah. So this morning I wake up very early to prepare for the breakfast. Of course today I hired help because, you know, 9 people, I cannot do it by myself. I can do it by slowly, you know. So, but I really need extra for today. So it's time to prepare the bait. It's almost 3 o'clock. Habit. So my sutanghon is already cooked. Sutanghon. I love sutanghon. I think I add too much soy sauce. Well, Filipino love soy sauce. There are only 3 work today, so I have already bought bread here. So this one I bought many because it is for my extra. I cook sotanghon here. I called them because I said I cook sotanghon. Rayong? Man gani, man maya ka pa. Tatlog lang mo. Maya ka pa kang gamay, no? Just lucky, Miller was not here, my brother. Actually, whatever leftover, I'm gonna send to my mom.